Now the centre is stepping in as Indigo's operational meltdown continues to ripple across airports. The Directorate General of Civil Aviation, DGCA, has now decided to reduce Indigo's flights by 5%. Remember, Indigo operates about 2,200 flights on a daily basis across India, and now approximately 110 flights will be reduced daily. Now, viewers, according to official sources, the airline has been informed of this, and a list of the flights that will be reduced is also being prepared as we speak. The list, in fact, will be provided tomorrow, and once Indigo is fully compliant with the FDTL requirements, the routes may be returned to the airline. Now, viewers, the Ministry of Civil Aviation is also holding a crucial review meeting today with all the airlines, aiming to prevent a repeat of what happened last week, the disruptions, the mass cancellations we have been witnessing across India. In fact, this follows a high-level huddle which was chaired by Civil Aviation Minister Ram Mohan Naidu just last evening. At this moment, Indigo says it has refunded rupees 827 crore for cancelled flights. This has happened up to December 15th, with nearly 10 lakh PNRs refunded since November 21st. In fact, Secretary Civil Aviation has also confirmed that some of the statements are made by Indigo on reparations. Listen in.
Are almost back to normal. Airlines been performing. In fact, the operations has been very, very smooth. Indigo has flown more than 1,800 flights today, which is almost normal. And all the other airlines like Akasa, Air India Express, Air India, SpiceJet, they have flown their full capacity. So things are getting back to normal, as I see today. We coordinated at various tiers, regular meetings, many meetings actually, with senior management of Indigo. And also we coordinated with the airports, airport directors, both PPP and Airport Authority of India airports. And now I think things are almost normal. 90% of the baggage is already raised, and we've been sending, in fact, the airlines been sending baggage to their respective passengers' addresses. I feel that within the next 24 hours or so, all the luggage will be there at the passengers' given address, registered address. We have already ordered an inquiry. It's a detailed inquiry going to take place in the next 15 days or so. And once the outcome of the inquiry is there with us, then thereafter we go into the region, so that we would not like to have this kind of occurrence ever in future. So we are waiting for the outcome of the inquiry. In the meanwhile, senior management of the Indigo Airlines, they have also been show-caused. So we will wait for the inquiry report and thereafter take corrective actions. It was a major concern, and in fact we took due notice, and we ensured, in fact we issued one order, and also we coordinated with Indigo, and I think it is all 100% refund has already been completed.
All right, now the airline claims it has operated over 1,800 flights despite more than 450 cancellations, and reported 90% on-time performance, but cancellations, viewers, still continue. Over 130 flights were hit just this morning till the last reports came in. Now, Minister Naidu says that airports are being monitored in real time. Officials have been deployed on ground, and Indigo's winter schedule will now be cut, with in fact slots redistributed to other carriers across India. He also added that about 6,000 of the 9,000 stranded bags have been returned. Now, we're also getting some live visuals from the Lok Sabha proceedings. Let's cut across to those as well.
फिर क्यों संविधान में आया? संविधान में डॉक्टर बाबा साहब अम्बेडकर ने छापा है ना? क्यों छापा है? वो बोलने को बोलिए उसको.
And the airports are reporting normal conditions without crowding or distress. Refunds, baggage tracing, and passenger support measures remain under continuous supervision by the ministry. At the same time, accountability will be ensured. DGCA has issued show-cause notices to Indigo's senior leadership and commenced a detailed enforcement investigation. Depending on the outcome, strict and appropriate action, as empowered under the Aircraft Rules and Act, will be taken. No airline, however large, will be permitted to cause such hardship to passengers through planning failures, non-compliance, or non-adherence to statutory provisions. Honorable Speaker, sir, safety in civil aviation is completely non-negotiable. India is a founding member of the International Civil Aviation Organization and remains firmly committed to the highest global standards of safety. Revised flight duty time limitations, scientifically designed to prevent pilot fatigue, are being implemented. These reforms are essentially for passenger safety. DGCA adopted a phased-wise implementation plan in consultation with all the stakeholders. Phase 1 from 1st July 2025, Phase 2 from 1st November 2025. Indigo had clearly assured full compliance with these norms and also confirmed its preparedness to undertake its winter schedule. Despite these assurances, prima facie, it was observed that internal rostering disruptions led to large-scale cancellations, causing inconvenience to thousands of passengers. The ministry advised the regulator to act immediately. Inquiry orders and show cause notice to CEO and COO of Indigo were issued. Also, Indigo has been directed to restructure its operations, add reserve crew capacity, improve passenger handling, and restore normal schedules without any delay. Enhanced oversight on the ground continues. Passengers' interests have been at the center of every decision taken by the government. We intervened to cap fares so that no passenger would be exploited due to the sudden demand spikes and opportunistic pricing. Indigo was ordered to issue refunds promptly, and as informed by them, more than 750 crore has already reached the passengers. For the passengers who wanted the rebookings to be done, the same were done without any additional charges. We are monitoring each and every case of baggage handling over and ensuring that communication with passengers is both timely and dignified. As informed by Indigo, process of refunds, baggage handling are over in its final stages. Our 24/7 control room continues to assist passengers directly whenever needed. Honorable Speaker, sir, going forward, the government is determined to build a more robust and competitive aviation ecosystem. Through our policies, we are encouraging more new airlines to start and operate in India, ensuring fair access to airport capacity and eliminating any possibility of duopoly, controlling connectivity and pricing in our skies. More airlines mean more choice, more affordability, and more resilience for the passengers. In the last 1 decade, Indian aviation has evolved to become more inclusive. India has emerged as the world's fastest growing aviation market with year-on-year passenger growth of around 12%. India is already third biggest domestic aviation market with a huge potential for future growth. And the policies of the government will ensure that this growth trajectory is kept intact. To summarize, operations are stabilizing fast, safety remains fully in force, Indigo is being held accountable, passengers' convenience and dignity are being protected, and long-term measures are underway to make India's aviation sector stronger and more passenger-centric. The government will remain fully vigilant until normalcy is achieved and will continue to ensure that every passenger in India travels safely, comfortably, and with the respect they deserve. Thank you, Honorable Speaker, sir.
माननीय मंत्री महोदय ने अपना डिटेल स्टेटमेंट दिया है और सारी स्थिति को स्पष्ट किया है। संबंधित एजेंसी को नोटिस दिए गए, उसकी जांच का कार्रवाई चल रही है। मुझे लगता है कि उन्होंने सारे विषय को डिटेल तरीके से सदन के सामने प्रस्तुत कर दिया गया है। कल आपने विषय रखा, मैंने कहा माननीय मंत्री जी डिटेल स्टेटमेंट देंगे। कल मैंने आपको बोलने का अवसर दिया था, ये आपका तरीका उचित नहीं है, संसदीय परंपराओं के अनुरूप भी नहीं है। मेरी अपेक्षा है कि आपको अगर कोई चर्चा करनी है तो आप नोटिस दीजिए, यही संसदीय परंपरा रहती है। आप बिना नोटिस दिए ही करें। कल आपने कहा मंत्री जी ने डिटेल स्टेटमेंट दे दिया, सारी स्थिति को स्पष्ट कर दिया गया।